Hey guys, welcome to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in today's video we'll be continuing on the series 101 Cool Magic Tricks Wiggle and Singleton. Alright, so we have covered the introduction all the way through to the quick tricks and simple illusions. If you haven't watched those videos, I suggest you do. Anyways, let's get started on the Diabolically clever card tricks. So, get a deck to stop the page from flipping. Okay, it says, before your audience arrives, shuffle a deck of cards. Make sure you know which card is on the bottom. Alright, so I'll give the deck a few cuts. And the card on the bottom is the 3 of spades. So what it's telling us to do is memorize the bottom card, the 3 of spades. Alright, so now, once your audience is seated, fan out the deck of cards on the table in front of you and ask a volunteer to choose a card. And tell them not to show you. But for this video, it's alright if I see, because I don't have a volunteer. So, just like that. They chose the 5 of diamonds. Okay, and remember, the bottom card is the 3 of spades. So you tell them to cut the deck. Simply like that. Tell them to put their card on top and then to complete the card, remembering that the 3 of spades is that card, is right next to theirs once they complete it. Alright, so while the volunteer looks at the card, you should close the fan, you know, just what I just did. And then, okay, so you want to deal the cards down, and you want to tell them to say no after every card, so you can determine if they're lying. Alright, so like that. Quickly deal them, and they'll say no during this, while you're dealing. So we're looking for the 3 of spades here. Alright, right there, the 3 of spades. So this card is theirs, and when they say no, you're going to say, this deck determines lies. So the deck is also telling me that you are lying. And then they're going to be so amazed. Anyways, I hope you learned something new during this video. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos coming up in the series. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.